this is Steve O'Keefe at Orobora.com, and I'm here to show you a quick introduction to Zoho. What is Zoho? Well, let's take a look at what Google says it is. You type in Zoho, and the first thing that pops up is Zoho CRM. CRM is Customer Relationship Management, and Zoho's online CRM software is its flagship brand. But if we pass that by, the other thing on Zoho, Cloud Software Suite for businesses. So, and it lists all the Zoho Mail, Zoho CRM, Zoho One, Zoho Books. And we're going to go take a look at the main Zoho site now. And here we are on Zoho, your life's work, powered by our life's work. And really, it's a business suite of software. The major ones are CRM, which is very similar to the Salesforce if you've used it for customer relationship management. Zoho Mail is a popular one. And we're also going to look at Zoho Business. Zoho Books. And so here are various suites that they have, bundles they call them. And so the CRM bundle has a bunch of apps that you can use for CRM. They're finance apps. I include bookkeeping. IT is for managing your tech support and for developing apps. Workplace is human resources apps. And also People Plus has resources apps. Zoholics is their annual conference, and I'll be attending there in Austin. If you're going to Zoholics, please drop me an email at steve.o'keefe@orobora.com. That's Orobora, orobora.com. We're specialists in Zoho, and we would love to meet you at Zoholics. So now here we can see what's in each of these bundles. In sales and marketing, the big thing is CRM, which sort of incorporates all these other tools. In finance, the big seller is Books, which is comparable to QuickBooks Online. It's an online accounting program. And these are all bundled in with it. Mail is a collaboration tool, and it's not bundled with these other things, but they have Zoho Docs, which is similar to Google Docs. It's Zoho Sheet, which is basically a spreadsheet. Zoho Show is a presentation program for slideshows. And we're using Zoho Meeting right now while we're recording this video. So these are some of the fantastically powerful tools that are available to businesses through Zoho. And the nice thing is most of these tools are free. That's right. You can sign up for free, and you can use many of them for free for an unlimited period of time, as long as you don't need the advanced capabilities. For example, you can use Zoho CRM for free, but you won't be able to do bulk email. You can just email people one at a time. If you wanted to do bulk email, you would have to have a paid version of CRM. The Books is only free for a trial, and then you would have to pay. And it's a lot of work to put all your data, your historical data, into Books. So you wouldn't want to go through all that work unless you really thought you were going to end up using it at the end of the trial. But the price is very nominal. For example, it starts at $9 a month for Zoho Books, and that compares to very often $50 or $100 a month to use QuickBooks Online. The Mail is free, but again, you only get one account for free. If you want to add a bunch of accounts, you'll have to get a paid version. So all of these things are available free to try, and there are a paid version available.